Unexpected breakdowns and repairs can be extremely costly to an organization. That is why it's important to have a CMMS software that can plan and organize all your preventative maintenance and repairs. Knowing your workload and what's coming down your pipeline is extremely important, so that way you don't have any overdue inspections, or even worse, a truck in the shop waiting for repairs to happen. Planning is easy when your CMMS software does all the work for you. Having triggers for your preventative maintenance and repairs through EDVIRs or even within the system itself can be very beneficial. Having a system that tells you all the parts and requirements for repairs and maintenance is crucial to your success. By having the right CMMS software, you can finally ditch the whiteboard in your garage and move to a virtual board and automated system. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to visit our website or contact us directly, and one of our team members will be happy to reach out.